Alright. Ayan. Ikot-ikot muna. And
Ano
then,
yung nakasulat?
ilaw ay pag-asa.
Oo nga naman.
Okay. So kasi, ang sabi nila, for a people who have lost so much, the best we can give is hope. For a people who live in darkness, the best we can give is light. Let us give them chance to see again, to hope again. Light is hope, ilaw ay pag-asa. Mula sa School of Economics. Sa pangunguna po yan ni Dr. Ramon Clarete, ang Dean ng School of Economics. Yan. Meron silang presentasyon. Sasayaw, sasayaw. Okay.
Steady is how I feel it. This beat is heavy, so heavy, you gon' feel it. You are the reason that I breathe. You are the reason that I still believe. You are my destiny. Take hold. No, there is nothing that can stop us. Nothing can ever come between us. So come and dance with me. Take hold. Catch me, catch me, catch me, come on, catch me. I want you now. I know you can save me, come and save me. I need you now. I am yours forever, yes forever. I will follow anywhere, anyway. Never gonna let go. Come take my hand, I won't let you go. I'll be your friend. I love you so Everybody here get it out of control. When I grow up, I wanna be famous, I wanna be a star, I wanna be in movies.
Panalo! Ayan, mula sa School of
Oo.
Economics.
Economics. Ilaw ay pag-asa. Yan ang kanilang tema. Maraming salamat po. Meron pa.
Yan po mula sa UP School of Economics. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Ang paparating po ay mula sa NCPAG, the National College of Business Administration and Governance, whose whole curriculum is geared towards public service. And it is only fitting that the lantern reflects the same focus. Ito na po ang susunod, ang NCPAG ang National College of Business Administration and Governance.
Public,
Sorry, public administration pala. Alam mo, mahirap talaga itong ilaw na ito. Pwede
Actually-
natin ipatay ito because it's not needed. Hindi naman kami ang